I think let me paint a bit of context. Looking ahead 5 years, I think we have to look back 5 years. There has been tremendous innovation and change dramatically that has transformed this landscape and globally, e-commerce and retail and otherwise, and omni-channel, to empower consumers. And consumers now have, I think, the winning cards. And that innovation and technological advancement will continue. And I think that's where, to Gaura's point, you really need to engage the consumer. Consumers' habits are changing. The response I had to your question was, Xiaomi gets to do that because consumers' interest in handheld computers, i.e. mobile phones, has now trumped that of other categories. And disposable income is going into that particular category. I think from a fashion standpoint, to be able to create that demand, there has to be some uniqueness, some understanding of consumers' overall appreciation of whatever it is. But at the end of the day, I don't know if you'll get that same bump. The thing that I'm most interested in seeing happen in the next 5 years, when we started exclusively, we were actually focusing on the NRI consumer who didn't have access to Tarun Talyani, Manish Malhotra, and all the Indian designers and products. And what was astonishing and amazing was we were shipping Tarun Talyani in 100 different countries. And I think that the same is true here when we start to look at where the landscape is in the future. Because tier 2, 3, and 4 cities are still disconnected, the mobile and, of course, e-commerce gives them that access. And I think that's where innovation will continue to go. So I don't know if we'll have a Xiaomi moment. It would be great if we did. But I think platforms that are transformative, that have happened over the last 5 years will continue to innovate, and we'll see a lot of change.